Anna,
Hi.
tell me, hi, what is the Creative Approaches to Supervision diploma?
Right. Well, it's a one-year training and it begins in September every year and taught part of the course ends in May, and then the written part ends in August. And it's a recognised training course, recognised by HIPSI, the Humanistic and Integrative School of the UKCP. And it's basically an integrative and creative cross-professional training. What that means is that we're not aiming to have just psychodrama psychotherapists or just arts therapists, but we really value applications from all sorts of different practitioners. So we've had family therapists, we've had dance, movement and body psychotherapists, the different arts therapists, talking therapists, we've had a Jungian analyst, and we've had people from religious communities as well. So, and also from non-therapy, so mentoring, training, coaching. All of these different participants add to the learning pool. There's a lot of peer learning as well as the taught parts of the course. And we've developed over the years, the course has been going for quite a long time now, and the input keeps developing. We've developed several creative interventions which are taught alongside tried and tested theoretical, the theoretical bases for supervision. So that's kind of what's unique really in the course, is that we teach these specific interventions as applied to supervision, and we underpin the work with a good theoretical base. That feels very important.
Yes, of course. So I understand I could be from any modality, any sphere, where there's some degree of supervising or maybe mentoring. Is there anything else I need to know in terms of my qualifications if I want to apply?
Yes, you need to be 3 years post-qualification as something relevant. That's important. And I think that's probably all, really, because everything else will come out through the interview and through discussing the course in more detail.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.